Construction of a quadrilateral when its four sides and a diagonal are given. See, I am going to explain this example 5.21. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR with DE 6 cm, EA 5 cm, AR 5.5 cm, RD 5.2 cm and DA equal to 10 cm. They are given four sides and one diagonal. Okay. Then also find its area. See, to construct the quadrilateral, first we can draw the diagram. Okay, before that first we write given. What they given in the question? You take these all measurements. Okay, DE, EA, AR, RD and DA. 5 measurements you write under the given. Okay, given heading you write. Okay, ma. See, in this way you write example 5.21, write the question. After that you write given. What they given in the question you take and write. Okay. Next, right side, write rough diagram. Okay. You don't know whether the quadrilateral are in which shape. So, you directly write any one shape. Four sides having. Okay, so write this four sides, then name this quadrilateral as DEAR. Then what are the measurements given in the question? You write all these measurements. DE is 6 cm only, no? So DE 6 cm. Afterwards EA 5 cm. EA 5 cm. Then AR 5.5 cm. Next RD 5.2 cm. Next DA 10 cm. DA means you join this D and A. Okay, because here D and here is A. So you join this DA and mark this as 10 cm. Okay, ma. See, first when you read the question, first you write given, afterwards write a rough diagram. Okay, in the rough diagram, you draw one quadrilateral shape, then name the quadrilateral DEAR, then mark all the measurements. 5 measurements, no? So 5 measurements you must write in the diagram itself. Afterwards only you go to draw main diagram. Okay, for that, first DE draw. Okay, draw a line segment DE equal to 6 cm. Okay, for that 6 cm in scale. Okay, 6 cm means here first point, here only first point. Okay, 6 cm. Okay, ma. Draw 6 cm line segment. Okay, next name this first and last point as D, here E. What is the length? 6 cm. In that way you write. Okay, afterwards, see, first we complete this triangle. Afterwards only we complete the quadrilateral. So, to complete the triangle, first we draw this 6 cm. Afterwards, with the D as center, 10 cm as radius, draw one arc. Okay, with the D as center, then 10 cm as radius. So, measure 10 cm using compass. Okay, using compass, measure 10 cm. Okay, ma. 10 cm only, no? See, if you measure in compass, it is 10 cm. Okay, so with D as center, see here, with D as center, 10 cm radius, draw one arc. Okay, one arc. Then with the E as center, here EA 5 cm only, no? So with E as center, 5 cm as radius, draw another arc. How I measure? All must note it down. Okay. See, 5 centimeter means this starting point you place the tip of the compass. Then pencil tip here 5 centimeter. Okay. Then with E as center. With E as center, draw one more arc. But this 2 arc didn't cut, no. So extend this 10 centimeter arc to cut this arc. Okay. For that, one more time, you take 10 centimeter. Make these 2 arc to cut. Okay. And name this point as A. Name this point as A. Next, mark the point darkly. Afterwards, join EA and AR. EA, AR. Join. Okay, now we get DEA, one triangle. Afterwards, with D as center, 5.2 centimeter as radius, draw one more arc. For that, you take 5.2 centimeter measurement. Okay, ma, 5.2 centimeter with D as center, 5.2 centimeter as radius, draw one arc. Okay, next with A as center, 5.5 centimeter as radius, draw another arc. With A as center, 5.5 centimeter as radius, take another measurement. Okay, ma. With A as center, draw another measurement. Make previous arc to cut. Okay, ma. Next, mark this point as R. Okay, now join these 2 points, that is DR, then RA. Okay, here we all clear. First, we draw one line segment DE 6 centimeter. Next, with D as center, draw 10 centimeter line segment. Okay, with D as center, 10 centimeter as radius, draw one arc. Then with E as center, 5 centimeter as radius, draw another arc. Make these 2 arcs to cut at A. Okay, next with D as center, 5.2 as radius, 5.2 centimeter as radius, draw another arc. Then with A as center, 5.5 centimeter as radius, draw one more arc to cut the previous arc at R. Okay, then join DR and AR. Now we get the required quadrilateral. Okay, ma. Now we are going to find the area of the quadrilateral. How to find the area of quadrilateral? See, after drawing this quadrilateral, you must write the steps to construct the quadrilateral steps. See, these are given in the book itself. See, what are the steps you have to follow to draw the quadrilateral? You write. First, draw a line segment DE equal to 6 centimeter. Then, with D and E as center, draw arcs of radii 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively and let them cut it at A. Then join DA and EA. Next, with D and A as center, D and A as centers, draw arcs of radius 5.2 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. Let them cut at R. Then join DR and AR. Now we get the required quadrilateral DEAR. Afterwards, you are going to find the area of quadrilateral. So how to write? Calculation of area. Okay. Below that you write the formula for area of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral name what? DEAR. That is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square unit. Okay, D means diagonal. Here for this quadrilateral, which diagonal we have? DA. DA is the diagonal. Okay, DA means that is diagonal. The length is 10 centimeter. So here half into, instead of D you write 10 centimeter. Okay, into H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. H1 is perpendicular distance from any one of the vertex to the diagonal. Okay, this is perpendicular distance. Then another one perpendicular distance is this one. See how to find this height. See, using set square you find. Set square means, what is the set square? In the geometry box, what are the things we have? Scale. This is protractor. Then these two are set squares. Okay, using this set square we are going to find the height of the perpendicular. How to find? See, through this diagonal, if you move this set square, then up to R you stop. Okay, then what is the length? Height means, see ma, what is the height? See, you draw, you mark the points using dot lines. Okay, then measure 1.9 centimeter only first height, 1.9 centimeter. Okay, then if you move like this way, okay, below the diagonal, if you move like this set square, then you get another length. What is the length? 2 point. Here also you join this height using dot lines. Okay, what is the length? 2.3 centimeter. Like this way you measure the height of the perpendiculars. Okay, these are the perpendiculars from opposite vertex to the diagonal. So these are H1 and H2. So instead of H1 you write 1.9 centimeter. Then instead of H2 value is 2.3 centimeter. That is equal to, you cancel this 2 and 10, then 5 you get. Okay, then is equal to 5 into, add these two, what you get? 4.2 centimeter. If you multiply these two, then you get 21 centimeter square is the area for quadrilateral. Okay, see, one more time I explain. First given, next rough diagram write, draw, next only you are going to draw main diagram. Afterwards you write the steps for the construction. Okay, afterwards you calculate the area for the quadrilateral. See, for calculating area we want 3 measurements. One is diagonal, another one is H1, H2. So diagonal already they given in the question itself, H1 and H2 only, that is perpendicular distance from opposite vertex to the diagonal. These two only using set square we find, then measure the measurement. Okay, afterwards you substitute H1 and H2 value, then you find the area for the quadrilateral. Okay, ma'am.